Today I'm going to show you how to create custom headers quickly and easily if you want to make your document or page look more polished. Adding a custom header is a simple way to do it. Whether you're building a guide, organizing content, or just want a cleaner layout, this is a fast method that can help improve the overall look and feel of your work. And if this tutorial helps you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy step-by-step software guides. Alright, let's jump right in. To create a custom header, start by double-clicking the very top of the page or document. This opens the editing mode for the header area. Once you're in editing mode, you can begin customizing the header exactly how you want it. This is where you can add your own text, adjust the style, and make the top section of your page match your content. If you prefer using the menu instead, there's another easy way to get there. Simply go to Insert, then choose Header, and then select Edit Header. This takes you to the same place, but some people find this method easier because it's more direct and easier to remember. So if double-clicking doesn't feel natural, the menu option is a great alternative. Now that the header editor is open, you can start customizing it. Add text that fits your page, such as a title, brand name, section name, or any other information you want displayed at the top. You can also add images if the tool supports it, which is a great way to make your header more visually appealing. For example, you might add a logo, a small icon, or another image element that matches your design. As you build the header, keep your layout clean and simple. A good header should be easy to read and should support the rest of your content rather than distract from it. If you're using text, make sure it is clear and well positioned. If you're adding images, place them carefully so everything looks balanced and professional. Once you're happy with the design, just click Done or exit the editing mode to save your changes. Your custom header should now appear at the top of your page, giving your content a more finished and personalized look. And that's really all there is to it. In just a few steps, you can create a custom header without any complicated setup. If this video helped, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.